Guardians of the nest. Nesting and parental care in saltwater crocodiles, **. Hey, nature enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the heartwarming side of the saltwater crocodile's life, nesting and parental care. I'm Suresh, your guide to the wonders of the wild on Wildlife353. If you're ready to witness the maternal magic of these apex predators, hit that subscribe button and join us for this incredible journey. Let's get started. The nesting saga begins. Step into the secretive world of female saltwater crocodiles as they embark on a mission to carefully select nesting sites. Witness the intricate process of nest construction, where each carefully laid egg holds the promise of the next generation. It's a saga of maternal instincts and natural engineering. Excellent incubation. Explore the fascinating process of incubation as mother crocs tirelessly guard their precious eggs. From regulating temperature to ensuring a safe environment, these incredible reptiles showcase their dedication to the survival of their offspring. Get ready for an excellent adventure into the heart of the nest. Protective measures and motherly instincts. Join us as we unravel the protective measures taken by mother crocs to ensure the survival of their hatchlings. Witness the raw power of maternal instincts as these apex predators transform into vigilant guardians. It's a testament to the delicate balance of nature and the importance of maternal care in the wild. The delicate balance of nature. As we conclude our journey into nesting and parental care, reflect on the delicate balance that exists in the world of saltwater crocodiles. From fierce predators to nurturing parents, these creatures play a vital role in maintaining the ecological harmony of their habitats. And there you have it, the incredible journey of nesting and parental care in saltwater crocodiles. If you found this exploration as heartwarming as I did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow nature lovers, and hit subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories. Until our next adventure, stay wild and stay curious.